In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a digital office for remote work in Notion. As we continue to embrace the flexibility of remote work, having an organized digital workspace becomes vital. Notion is a versatile tool that can elevate your team's collaboration and productivity to another level. Let's dive into how you can set up your digital office effectively. First, let's start by setting up a space for company announcements. This page will be your team's central hub for all the important news and updates. You'll want to create a new page in Notion and label it appropriately. Consider using headings to categorize announcements by date or by department to make navigation easier for everyone. This section will ensure your team is always in the loop and aligned with the company's latest information. Next, we'll set up the team directory. This is a crucial component that helps team members know who to contact and who's responsible for what. In this section, you can create a table or a gallery that includes team members' names, roles, contact information, and perhaps even photographs to add a personal touch. No more scrambling around emails to find out who's doing what. It's all right there at your fingertips. Now it's time to build your project hub. This is where all projects live, making it easy for team members to track progress and understand deadlines. Create a board or a list view where you can categorize projects by status, priority, or team. Notion's database capabilities allow you to add properties such as deadlines, task assignments, and comments, ensuring there's no ambiguity as to what is needed or when. Moving on to the meeting notes section, because we all know how crucial it is to document those insightful discussions. Set up a new page where all meeting notes can be stored. Consider creating a template that includes date, attendees, agenda, and key decisions or action items. Organizing your meetings this way ensures that everyone has access to what was discussed and what needs follow-up. Our next focus is the knowledge base. This is your information repository where all documentation and research and internal resources can be stored and accessed easily. Creating this section in Notion allows all team members to share and contribute knowledge, creating a collaborative learning environment. Next, let's talk about SOPs, or standard operating procedures. Set up a page using templates to detail critical workflows and procedures. This will serve as a guide for current and new team members, ensuring consistency in how tasks are performed across the board. Let's not forget about goals and OKRs. Create another section to outline your team's objectives and key results. Regularly updating and reviewing goals in this space will keep your team focused and motivated. Finally, quick links to important tools should be set up to keep everything accessible. Compile links to tools and resources frequently used by your team in one convenient spot. This simple addition can save time and reduce the hassle associated with tracking down essential resources. With all these sections in place, your digital office in Notion will be a comprehensive, organized haven for remote work. By maintaining this digital workspace, you'll foster a collaborative and efficient team environment. Thank you for watching today's video.